Now, your First Alert 7-day forecast.
A great Thursday morning to you. I'm First Alert meteorologist David Reese, and we still have a flash flood warning up for central Lee County, including Beauregard, Opelika, Auburn, Chewacla State Park, and surrounding communities. And we had a viewer report on Facebook saying Lee Road 146 near Beauregard, near the store Lazy Bee, has been closed due to dangerous flooding. So take this flash flood warning very seriously, as we have seen copious amounts of rain over the same area over the past 3 to 4 hours. Now, wouldn't be surprised to see some rainfall totals in excess of 6 to 7 inches since midnight. We are also tracking another heavier shower rolling through Crawford towards Ladonia and Phoenix City. Heavy rain being reported in Catella, where you see the orange color there. The deeper red means it's raining even heavier. We're also seeing a report of moderate rain up in Callaway Gardens near Pine Mountain. In this storm near Crawford, it's rolling right along Highway 80, or J.R. Allen Parkway for those of us that know it, in Columbus and Phoenix City. Well, it could be in Phoenix City and Columbus here within the next hour. So when many of us are taking the kids to the bus stop or maybe heading off to work or school, and if this storm stays this heavy and continues due east, flooding again is going to be a major issue in Columbus and Phoenix City. Very similar to what we saw yesterday afternoon. I don't think it'll be as bad, but still, some locations could see quite a bit of flooding yet again this morning. Also, neighbors off to our south, down near Clio, Clayton, and Blue Springs, we're tracking a few showers that have recently popped up here within the past 15 to 30 minutes. All of this activity is slowly but surely heading off to the east at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. And look off to our south. There's a lot of tropical moisture that will stream off to the north over the next 48 hours. That's going to interact with the frontal boundary draped right over the top of us. That's providing us with all that rain this morning. Well, that's going to create even more rain tomorrow and Saturday. So get ready for a rather soggy couple of days. This afternoon, we're topping out only near 79 degrees due to all the clouds and rain around. We can't rule out the possibility of an isolated thunderstorm with an east to northeasterly breeze at 10 to 20 miles an hour. And over the next couple of days, we remain very close to 80 degrees with 81 Friday, 82 Saturday before we finally dry out some and get closer to average. For the first half of next week, our average high temperature is 91, 92 degrees, and that's where we'll be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. But first, we have to get through some very heavy rain this morning. Just a reminder, flash flood warning in effect for central Lee County. Would not be surprised to see Phoenix City and Columbus and surrounding areas see another round of flooding in some of the lower lying locations again today.
Okay, so keeping our eyes open for that. And remember, it is still dark outside in most places, so also being careful because you can't see very far ahead of you.
Yeah, in other words, drive very slowly because that flooded roadway will come upon you very quickly.
All right, thank you, David. 19 minutes after the hour now, Paul McCartney heads